Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things and I'm super glad to see you here today. Welcome to my channel if you are new. If you're not new, thanks for coming back. It's good to see you. Boo, boo, boo. Please like, comment, and subscribe down below. Ring the bell so you get notifications when the lives happen, when the giveaways happen, when the special things happen. Special things are happening everywhere, all over my channel. And just to remind you, on Fridays, Jeannie and I alternate having Beauties and the Beast. It is a show with makeup and music where we explore artists, genres, bands, all kinds of stuff. The first episode was just last week, and this week will be the second episode, which is my first time hosting. So come back for that. That is going to be a lot of fun. What are we doing today? Well, I've got most of my face together, except for the eyes have it. And it's the Huda Booty Mauve Obsessions palette, which is fantastic. And I can't wait to play with it right here with you now. So first we're going to do some swatches. This palette is new to me. I did get it from Rakuten because I've got a couple of the Obsessions palettes and they're just so good. And they're palettes that people have, so it's good to show looks with palettes that people already have. Let's do some swatchy swatches. Let's get that one a little better. Oh, I need a little, and as I love to use, my number 7 wipes. These are my favorite and the bestest face wipes that I've ever tried. And the number 7 brand is really great with skincare. And I'm actually wearing number 7 foundation right now, and it is very, very nice. It is very nice. I like it very much. So let's finish up these swatches. And oh, I almost forgot the thumb. So here they are. You can barely see this one. It's practically my flesh color. And these are, and there's another one. No, it's just right. And there's one that's hard to see there, but you can see the shimmer. And it is a beautiful palette. It's a beautiful palette. Sung to the tune of It's a Beautiful Morning. And let's clip these growing out bangs. My sexy swipey bangs. Oh, look, it's like a little curtain. It's so cute. Oh, it's not holding really well. Let's do that. There we go. And we're going to do a look with this and have some fun. Maybe not have fun, maybe just a look. I don't know. The future is uncertain and the end is always near, as the Doors would say. I'm going to start with this light color here in the first row in the middle. And it's very pretty. Just blending it in all over the crease. I might go for like just a kind of light look today. I did a light look the other day and it's just like, it was so nice to not go heavy and crazy for a change. Just blending everything out. I'm just gonna blend it all the way down. What the hell? Super cute. Super digging it. So pretty. I'm going to take this brush and go into this light shimmer here and go under the brow bone. And that just looks nice and sweet because it is nice and sweet. I'm going to go into this mauve shimmer because it is nothing but mauves and berry colors. Just going to darken it up a little on the outside. Then I'm going to go into this matte mauve. Matte mauve! Let me try a different brush. Well, maybe it's not going to be such a simple look after all. I'm going to go into this cranberry kind of color. Ooh, there's some fallout on that one. Let's get a little tissue here. Makeup's best friend is a Q-tip and a tissue. And it's got a little foundation that was left on the brush. So I know to tap that off a little more. This is still a very, very pretty look. I don't want a little crazy. Having some fun with a little crazy palette. Let's get a little sweet brush. And we're going to go with this shimmer here. Try to put it on the bottom of the lashes. This is really softly pressed. Oh, it's working. So pretty. Let's get some blending, because sometimes I forget to blend. I get so excited about stuff that blending becomes not a priority. That's so pretty. Very nice indeed. Let's do some liner with the Star Gems Asteria liner. Super cute. This eyeliner is fantastic. It goes on super black and super smooth, and I super love it. Can I say another word but super? I don't fucking know, man. I'm just kind of stuck with super today. Super. It's so super. Oh my god. Let's use some Marc Jacobs. I'll stop. Let's use some Marc Jacobs mascara, and I love this so much. It really gives a lot of length. There's a little smudge. That is me and my ham hands. And a super great mascara. Once again, super. What's wrong with me? Why can't I say anything but super? And a beautiful mauve, plummy lipstick. Let's see. This is number 120. Which is Artist. Let's see. Let's do a little swatch. Yeah, I think that's going to work. And this is Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. It is tight. It is pretty new. And there we go. We have a super cute look with the Huda Beauty. Oh, let's do this. Oh, snagged my hair. With the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions palette. And I hope you guys have a great day or day of your choice. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you real soon.